Hey, what's going on, guys? Taz here with Roblox AI News and Development. So today I've got a tutorial on how you can create custom decals, images, and import them into your Roblox Studio world. So it's very easy, and we're going to be using ChatGPT to do this one. You can use any real generative AI that can make images. So I'm just going to show you how to do that, how to import it, and best practice when creating these sort of free things. So we're going to jump over into our AI. I'm using ChatGPT. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a few things. We needed to give it a style. So it depends what style of game you're making. Let's say I want to make it a magic game and it is a studded format similar to the one that I'm currently working on now with my project. And I'll show you how I would go about doing that. So I'm going to use the voice activation tool and I'm going to say, I'm creating a Roblox magic game. I need images and decals for the icons for each of the spells and the currency. I want the currency to be a shard, and I want all of the images to match the same style. So please generate me 3 different spell icons, a fireball, a lightning bolt, and a laser, red laser, and also a gold coin, and give me 3 different styles so I can choose myself. We want it into a simple Roblox studded style with a border around all the images to keep it in the same format except for the currency. And the currency must have a transparent PNG background. So that's just what I'm going to say to it. Pretty simple, pretty basic. We're going to run that and see where it goes. It shouldn't take very long. Images take a bit longer than just word prompts, so I'll get back to you in about 2 minutes. So it's just finished, and these are the results we got. So we've got this one, and this one. I really like this one, the last one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to render them all in as this last one, because if I try and download this, it'll download literally that. So I'm going to say, I really like the last one, the third one. Can we have that in 4 separate images? So that'll render that and give us all them. And when this is done, I'll get back to you. Okay, so it's just finished giving us all 4 independently, and these look really, really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to go download all 4 images in this series, download again, and it'll take all of them right there and put them in our download section. So now what we're going to want to do is go to upload asset. So this is in create.roblox.com. This is where all the studio stuff gets done outside of actual studio. So you can see all of our places, but we're going to go to developmental items or development items. We're going to go to decals, which is where I've been working on some of the ones for my project with the AI that I'm working on. So we're going to then go to upload asset. We're then going to go to upload. So let's start with the fireball. So we're going to grab the fireball. As you can see, we've run into our first issue that it borders incorrectly. Do you see that? So we're going to go back into it and ask it to re-render it to fill up the entire square. So we actually need the borders of the abilities to hit the border of the squares. So there's no transparent PNG sort of style grids at the back. It needs to fill up the entire frame. So can you redo the abilities to do that? So while that does that, we can actually fix the coin one right now. So we can go into any sort of paint or editing software should have it. I'm using paint.net. And then we're going to file, open our coin. So here's our coin. But as you can see, if I try and erase the side of it, if I bring my brush size up, it's actually not a real transparent background. So we can use the magic tool and simply remove it like that. File, save as. We're then going to upload that with the background removed, and you can see there's no background in it, and then we can save that one. Now, as you can see, we've got our coin saved right here, looking pretty good. So it's finished rendering the other ones. As you can see, the border is now full. So same thing, I'm going to download these. So we've uploaded the asset here. I'm going to name it laser. Upload it. So I'm just going to do this for one example. So we've got our laser, now we've got our coin tutorial. So now we're in Roblox Studio, and all I've done is I've made 2 parts. You can see they have a surface GUI with a frame, with an image label to match the size. So right here in image label, you'll find a spot down the bottom, image content. So we're going to go into our create Roblox. We're going to go here, copy asset ID. Now in Studio, click on the block, click on the image label, scroll down to image content, and simply paste the number in, and it'll fill that RBX asset ID part up. So that's that one. Let's do the other one. So we'll go down into our image label, find our content, copy the asset ID from the laser, and there's our laser ability. Looks really good, really high quality, doesn't lose much quality. And that is how you create custom images and import them into your game in Roblox Studio. If this has been helpful, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. If there's any other tutorials that you guys are chasing, please let me know. I'm happy to make them. I have all the time in the world, and it's been a pleasure making these. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.